Do you want the taste of a comforting cabbage roll dinner but only have 45 minutes? Try making this easy, delicious cabbage roll soup recipe. I'm Tess, and I'll show you step by step. In my soup pot on medium-high heat, I'm adding a tablespoon of oil and a pound of ground beef, cooking and chopping until no longer pink. If you have any excess fat, you may want to drain it off, but just keep a little for flavor. This cabbage roll soup, of course, is going to have lots of cabbage, but we're also going to bulk it up with some other veggies. I'm adding in 1 medium diced onion, 2 diced carrots, and 1 medium diced red bell pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes. I have 4 large cloves of minced garlic, and this is going to give a nice background flavor. Here I have 4 cups of chopped cabbage. The cabbage will decrease in volume as it cooks. Stirring to combine. To add a little more depth of tomato flavor, I have 2 healthy teaspoons of tomato paste. This is 4 cups of homemade beef broth. If using canned broth, just be careful of the salt content. And I have also found that the better than beef bouillon tends to be quite salty, so just be careful. Turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. We need more tomatoes in this cabbage roll soup. This is 1 14.5-ounce can of tomato sauce and 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, giving that a good stir. When you have cabbage and tomatoes together, you know it's going to be good. And now for the seasonings. I have 2 bay leaves, about a 1/4 teaspoon more of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasonings, 2 teaspoons of parsley, and about 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, giving that a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 15 minutes just to get all those flavors married together. The cabbage roll soup is bubbling away and making the kitchen smell good. The cabbage and veggies are getting tender, and now is the time to add the rice. I have a 1/2 cup of rinsed and drained long grain rice. Stirring, bringing back up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 15 more minutes. It's been 15 minutes, and now is the time to give the soup a taste and add any seasonings that you like. I'm adding a pinch more of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon more of Italian seasonings. You can also add a little cayenne pepper for some heat. Soups always benefit with the last round of seasonings in the last 5 to 10 minutes of cooking. Stirring and cooking for 5 more minutes or until the rice is tender. I'm also going to add a little water to make more broth. You can keep it as thick as you like. Dinner is ready and it smells like cabbage rolls. Only it's soup. As you can see, this is quite a hearty, healthy meal. It does take a few ingredients, but it all cooks in one pot and it's easy to make. I hope you give my cabbage roll soup a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.